Hello everyone, welcome back again to Simply Your Makeup. Today I'm going to try a spoon thing cut crease thingy that I saw. I don't know how this is gonna work because I have very small eyes, and the people I saw doing it, their eyes are bigger. So I'm going to take, I guess the black one is smaller, and do a cut crease. I don't know how this is going to turn out, so let's try it together and create a mess. Okay, this white one looks smaller to me. The blue, when I have it close, it looks bigger. Take a look. Oh, what mayhem. Okay, we're gonna go with the black and we're going to create a mess. Let's see if I can create a cut crease. I am going to do this way because God knows I have no clue what I'm doing. So we're just rolling with it. If it comes out a mess, you will see it. If it's not a mess, you will see it. We are rolling with this cut crease on very hooded eyes. Lord help us here. Help us create this cut crease mayhem right now. This is too funny, but this is fun. I want to try it. It looked fun. Okay, this already looked like a disaster, but I don't know if you can see where I cut it. It cut from here all the way up here. So now I have to take this foundation and put, well, this is not foundation, this is concealer. So we're gonna take that. We're gonna take the Uma. I tell you, this might not be the best thing, but we're gonna try it and see if I did a cut crease, because my little hooded eyes are just that. We're covering all of this because I did cover all of that for the cut crease, right? So we're gonna go with it. We're gonna see what the disaster is over here. This is fun. Oh my God. Let us create something beautiful. Let us create something together. I honestly cannot tell you how this is going to turn out. So we are doing this right here live so we can see. Okay, so now I put the concealer and we have like that cut crease thingy. If you notice, the cut crease took my whole eyes. Again, I have to keep it like this because, like I say, I don't have big eyes, and my hooded eyes is an issue. So we're gonna go with this pink. I love this. This looks so pretty. Mwah. Okay, let's follow the cut crease. That pink is from the Be Perfect XL Carnival Pro palette. Let's see if I can follow this cut crease. Boy, that big old spoon. That's why I tell you, all looks will not look the same on you. Just create it the best way it fits your eye. But I wanted to try this cut crease for sure. I wanted to see for sure what it would look like on my eye. And I gotta stay in the line. And I'm gonna put the spoon again when I'm finished with the color and see if I nailed this cut crease. I am telling you, this is this is so interesting. Okay, so this is what it looks like, right? With the spoon. I'm gonna wipe the spoon. See, the spoon looks all dirty. I'm gonna wipe it up and put it back on my eye exactly the same way and see what if we did anything different. And I'm gonna take the white pencil. I'm gonna take the white pencil and then draw. Okay, you with me on this journey of this cut crease, this madhouse cut crease. Okay, so here we are. Hopefully you can see. And I'm gonna take the white and I'm gonna draw. I didn't see that part. I'm just creating as I go. So be creative. I'm not opening my eyes. I'm leaving my eyes regular. This I am just trying out. So, and I have hooded eyes, loose skin, puffy skin. So let's see what the disaster look like. Let's see if we create something. Okay, we created something. Take a look. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We did. From this to this. What do you say? Woohoo! I'm loving this. Okay, it's just that the spoon is very big, but I can rock this. I can rock this. Okay, and then this. I am liking this. Okay, and then we can take a little shimmer, like I love a little shimmer, and put right on the edge of that white that I put that white pencil. I created a hooded eyes. Who knew? Who knew? You never know until you try. Keep trying, people, keep trying. This very hooded eyes, I use the spoon trick that I saw and I created a cut crease. It is not perfect, and I am not looking for perfect on this channel. I'm looking for us to create. Let us keep creating beautiful stuff and nice stuff. OMG to the gods. Who knew? This is so cute. You think the other side will come out the same since my eyes are hooded and this is this is cute. Cute, 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 cute. You can tell I'm excited because my hooded eyes, I'm telling you, when I try things and they come out a little better than I'm hoping, I am excited. Wow, I am telling you, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Take a look. This is my cut crease. I should bedazzle it with something, right? Bedazzle it with something, right? And the pink, what color should I put there? Should I turn this into a grunge? I don't know. But I'm telling you, two different. I made before, after, with the spoon. Night and day. I mean, I can rock this. I like this. This time, I'm just going to do it with a pencil and then I'll put the concealer. Let's see how that turned out. And finish. Me and my flabby eyes, Lord help me. I'm just trying something new. I am trying something new. I want to see how it turned out. Okay, okay. Good. Now we're gonna put the rest of the stuff. Let's see. Okay, I'm back with it done. As you can see, I went too far here. I have a double line because I can't see and without my glasses, and then loose skin kind of take me up and down, so we're gonna fix that. That is what we call taking a chance and trying something new. So I'm going to put this on here like I did the other one, and we'll fix the excess. Okay, I use a different concealer also, so let's see if they come out different, because the first concealer was by Uma, the second one is by the Lip Bar. So we are going to see what we look like. This is interesting. I need a smaller spoon. I need a spoon way smaller than that. I don't know if they do smaller spoons, but that's what I need, a smaller spoon. And then as you can see, we're trying to create the same thing that we did on the other side. And then I will take care of the excess. The excess. And I'm just blending it together. Over here, I'll just put back the color that was there. I think we're doing pretty good here with this cut crease mayhem. Oh Lord, I didn't know I could have used that to make a cut crease. And again, one eye is smaller than the other, so things are looking, this is why I try to tell you, see, because I've hooded eyes, one is smaller than the other, so you see this has more, this has less, so now I have to even it out, even the playing field, so they can feel like they belong to each other. So now with the cut crease, it actually shows it even more. So now I have to do all of this to bring it a little closer, just to make it look like it's there, like this. See, this is higher than this. I have higher points. So I'm gonna go a little higher above what I should have. So the cut crease shows way more how my eyes are so different. So you get to see it. I'll clean up and I'll be back so we can see the finished look of the cut crease. OMG to the gods. I am laughing because I am so excited about these 2 spoons for my eye. I did not use the white because I thought the white was too big. And then I used the black, but the black is still too big. I think I need something smaller because I have teeny weeny eyes, as you can see. But this is what my cut crease came out to be like. It's a cut crease in a cut crease. Can you imagine that? I mean, I created a cut crease in a cut crease. Take a look, people. I am excited over here. I have never tried a cut crease. I mean, I do cut creases, but I never really use utensils. I just take my finger with my shimmers and I fix it. But I wanted to try this. I saw this and I wanted to try it. So I tried it. This is my cut crease. This is my cut crease. It is unbelievable what you can do when you put your mind to it. That's why I always say on this channel, be creative. And today's message is, today's inspirational word, encouraging word is, push yourself a little further every single time or day so you can do something different, because I had never tried this. I just wanted to try that, and I tried it and I like it. I'll be doing a couple more cut crease mayhem on this channel because with these spoons, but I think I'll need to get some more. I am telling you, loose skins move up with the pencil drawing. I mean, I don't have a smooth canvas. I am 55, I'll be 56 coming in a couple months, and I mean, the skin moves with the pencil, but I mean, I created this. I created this. You can create this too. This is so exciting. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is telling you to go out and live life. Life is fabulous, beautiful, exciting. Make it what it is that you want it to be. And I, with the spoon, cut crease in a cut crease, will see you later. Try it. Bye. See you soon. See you soon. Cut crease. I love this. Yeah. I am loving this cut crease in a cut crease. Wow, wow, wow. Make me look like I have so much lid space.